It's me, your girl, here again, Mrs. Sherifatu Bakari Joan. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. To my amazing subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching my videos. If you're new here and you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification button because I make videos every Friday. So guys, today is a special video because we're not baking. I'm going to teach you how to make akara. Oh, did you hear that? Come with me, let's dive in. Yeah, very simple ingredients you will need to fry your akara. First, 650 grams of black-eyed beans, already peeled and washed. You can buy it already peeled and you just soak it overnight and you're good to go. And I have here very small onion, habanero pepper, Maggi Cube, and salt. First, we are not going to blend these beans to smooth. You just want to crush it first, then you transfer to your blender because we're going to blend these beans with as little water as possible. So first, with your food processor, you just crush all your ingredients. So I put my beans. If you have a hand blender which you can blend without water, that would be perfect. But for me, I crush it first with my food processor, then already washed habanero pepper and your Maggi Cube. Goes in, a pinch of salt. Okay. And your onion. Alright. We're not blending too smooth now, just to crush. We're just crushing it. So, you see, before I started, I didn't add water. No water, just crush your beans. It's crushed totally. Now we'll transfer this to my blender. I have here 1 cup of water. My recipe has been on a very high demand, so that's why I chose to make it for you guys today. Now we're going to start blending. First, a very little amount of water. So while blending, just bit by bit, not much, guys. We're adding water so your blender can really blend the beans well. You can see each time I do like this, it's like bringing the already blend beans up and taking the other ones down. A little bit as well. So guys, our beans is very smooth. So you can see the total amount of water I used on 650 grams is just a cup of water. Don't be tempted to add too much water, guys. Now we transfer this to the mixer. Those days in Nigeria, you see ladies turning with a wooden stick. Oh my gosh, I tried that one time. My shoulders was off. So I found a very easy way. So you transfer this to your mixer. If you don't have this, you can also use a hand mixer. So transfer this. Look at the quantity of the beans. We're going to double the quantity. For you not to have a messy kitchen while mixing this, you can just put this while it's guys, as you can already see, you want the inside of your akara to be soft and the outside crunchy. So I'm going to mix this further. In the meantime, you put your oil for deep frying so it starts getting hot. First, you put it on a very high heat for your oil to get hot. And before you start frying, you just reduce the heat because you don't want your akara to get burnt. Plus, your oil, you have to put a generous amount of oil. You don't want your akara to stick to your pan. That's not the meaning. You're deep frying it, so put a generous amount of oil. So guys, our beans is ready for deep frying. With your washed hands, you see, if you have added a lot of water while blending, trust me, you will not get this consistency. So I'll just try with a little bit to see if our oil is ready. This is how your akara is supposed to float while frying it. This is how it's supposed to be. So our oil is ready. I'll just go further and put it. Voila. Can you see that? Wow. Take a look at this, guys. Whoa. You can see how beautiful my akara is looking. You can see. So the main secrets to this nice looking, fluffy and crunchy akara is number one, when blending, add very little amount of water. It's very important because when there's too much water, you cannot get this consistency. Trust me, guys. And number two, your mixing. It has to mix really well. Double the quantity of your beans after blending. Trust me, if you follow this, my recipe and the method, you will definitely get this result. And also, I'm using vegetable oil. You can use palm oil as well. Okay, our first batch is ready. Whoa. So guys, our akara is ready. Just take a look at the beauty of this akara. Are you not hungry right now? See, can you hear the crust? How crunchy? And take a look. Ah. Oh my God. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful or you've made your akara, you just want to share with me, please leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and also don't forget to click the notification button because I make videos every Friday. Thanks guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.